What the pho? Hello, I hope you're having a wonderful day. And yes, you heard me right. Today I'm going to be making a Vietnamese cuisine called pho, which consists of beef bone broth, tender ribs, rice noodles, and highly aromatic spices and herbs. I'm so excited for you to join me because this pho is going to be a lot better than what you may have seen or tasted at a restaurant. We're going to have an explosion of flavor. So let's get into this. I have here beef bone marrow, and this is beef oxtail, and this right here is beef shank, plus I also have beef back ribs. Place all the meat and bones to your stock pot, add water to cover and bring the water to parboil. Drain the bones in a colander and rinse under cold running water. This step will help remove the excess scum and keep the broth clear. Roasting the ginger, onions, shallots, and bone marrow prior to placing them into the pot with the rest of the meat helps eliminate the smell of the beef bones and also enhances the flavor of the broth as well. Pho is a classic noodle soup that has been enjoyed in Vietnam for generations and is now gaining popularity all around the world. It's a delicious and hearty meal that's perfect for any time of the day, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. As always, the step-by-step recipe is written in the description box below. For the spices, you can purchase the spice already mixed at the Asian store, or you can buy them individually, and you'll want to toast them. You can use this, or you can use this for the spice mix. Another option is purchasing this spice pack in the Asian store, and you could just drop 1 or 2 pack into the broth. The broth of the pho is the star of the dish, with a deep and savory umami flavor that is both satisfying and comforting. For this recipe, it is simmered for hours with beef bones along with aromatics like ginger and onion to create a deeply flavorful and nourishing base. Making pho from scratch may seem daunting, but I promise you it's worth it. Not only will you impress your family and friends with your cooking skills, but you'll also get to enjoy a delicious and authentic Vietnamese meal right in your own home. Fried garlic, sliced onions, and scallions seared with bone marrow oil adds a depth of smokiness to the broth and gives your bowl the extra touch. Boil your favorite rice noodles that can be purchased at the Asian stores or other grocery stores. The noodles are soft and chewy, providing a satisfying texture that complements the richness of the broth. The result is a flavorful and filling meal that will leave your taste buds wanting more. With its unique combination of savory and sweet flavors, cooking pho is the perfect way to add excitement to your weekly meal plan. This is really good. If you want to embark on a culinary adventure with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button by clicking on the bell icon so that you get tasty creations every time we post a video. You wouldn't want to miss the deliciousness that awaits you.